easy-going recipe, butter cookies. All you need to do is just to have the few ingredients you have within your home. Here I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm adding my powdered sugar, which can be icing sugar to some people. I added my salt and my melted butter. So I'll be listing the measurement that I use for this video on my description. Please check it out. Here I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So this is very easy way you can make your butter cookies. Hope you will get to try this. So here I form it into a dough and I'll be molding it into balls. So if today's your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. This is very easy recipe, just as I told you. All you need to do is to get the right ingredient. Here I'm using my mooncake mold, flour mold, to make this cookie. So this is your choice. If you have it, you can use it. If you don't have it, you can use any mold you have. So I'm making different flower shapes for this cookie. This mold is very easy to use and it's very cheap to buy in the bakery shop, so if you have it, it helps you. I hope you'll get to try this butter cookies. This is very easy. You can make it on your own. Why don't you give it a try? So remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel at Glatory on YouTube, please, it doesn't cost you anything. All you need to do is just to click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Here is ready and I'll be baking it for 20 minutes under 160 degrees Celsius. See, fully baked. This is very easy. You can make it on your own and it came out so well. All you need to do is to follow my measurement that I use in making this cookie and you will get it right. Hope you will get to try this. Please remember to like this video, love it, comment and share. And if you haven't followed me, please follow me on my Facebook at Glatory Flavors and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.